Is that a tower? Very nice, Bug. Oh, come on. What is that? Did you make that? You built that? No, Tyler. Will has that one. Leave it alone.
Wow.
You have others just like it. Look, right over here, Tyler. There's one right over here by Mommy's toe. By Mommy's toe. There you go. Well, that one's different. Why are you putting that on Mommy's toe? There's one right here, Tyler.
Oh, right here.
This isn't going to go well.
Right here.
Right there. Yep.
Wow.
Discover Johnson's bedtime bath and bedtime lotion.
Sorry, movement. That's a really cool tower you built.
Look. It's crying. It's crying.
Oh, that's cool, bud.
Cool. Look. Look. Cool.
That's very cool.
Oh, cool. Look. Look.
I see it, bud. Good job. Want to give me a high five? High five for doing a good job. All right.
Why?
Oh, Mommy gets a high five? Yay.
Oh, why?
Does Will get a high five?
Yeah.
Give Will a high five. Oh, it's Mom. You want to wish Mom a happy Grandparents' Day?